Louis Vuitton is coming out with all black everything, and I am here for it. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Kenysha. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back, my loves. Welcome back. So today I want to talk about Louis Vuitton's all black, so black collection that they've got coming because I think it is hot. Fire. So many of us love to wear black, especially now that fall is coming around the corner. Things are going to start getting a little bit more chilly. You see I got my leather jacket on. I'm wearing my black underneath. This is because this is what So Black is going to be looking like, girl. I want to talk a little bit about some of these bags that are coming because I think they are hot. And I actually have two of them, so let's get into it. The first bag that Louis Vuitton has coming in the So Black that I love is the Sunset. I have this bag in denim and I couldn't be happier with it. It comes with just the perfect shoulder strap drop for me, not to mention minimal vachetta. I think originally I was a little bit thrown by the vachetta on the front, but I've managed to not mark it up, scrape it up, damage it in any way. I just easily access my bag. Then I've got the little vachetta tab inside, and this bag comes with an extender to make it a little bit longer, which I absolutely love. But I just really love the vibe of the shoulder, putting it on my shoulder and carrying it because of the studs and everything. And the extender has studs as well. So it's just one of my favorite bags. It's an easy bag to use, easy to open, has a little pocket here, has a little slip pocket in the back inside. And I don't know, it just fits everything that I need. It's just really cute. I love the pleats on the back. I saw they were coming out with this bag in all black. I said to myself, oh my gosh, I have to come out and do a review because you guys, this is one of my favorite bags. If you like black bags and you want one of these bags, and I love silver hardware, if I didn't have this bag, I might be so tempted, but I'm not into just always buying the same look. It's got to really be special for me to do that. So yeah, I feel like this is perfect and right up anyone's alley. If you are looking for the Sunset, you missed the denim Sunset, try this model out. You might be surprised. And the inside of it has this microfiber lining that is so gorgeous, looks so luxurious. Oh, I can only imagine. So if anybody picks up this bag, I want to know how you find it. It looks like it's going to be that soft, shiny leather that I think the Carol PM, the Carol Cargo came in. I wasn't really a fan of that new bag, but you never know. Maybe it's just that bag, and maybe a different model, a different product is what you need in order to actually get your juices going. So if you guys go and you get that bag, I hope that you let us all know how you like it. Let's talk a little bit about, I also have, and it's the Monstery BB. So it's the new Monstery BB that Louis Vuitton just released, which I completely adore. I find it adorable because it's small. This new version does not have vachetta on the base like the old version, and yet it still has this cute little vachetta trim to give me the look, give me the vibe I'm going for. Right. So I really love that. I love the little rolled leather handle on the back. I can take off the straps if I want to. I can add different straps if I want to. Yes, in all shapes and forms. This is great. And that the grommets have Louis Vuitton on them, and not all of the little bags do. Not all the little backpacks do. So definitely keep your eye out on that for that. If you're looking for like some of those key details, I would say, yeah, just keep an eye out for that. Girl, I was looking for you. Ugh. All right. So then it's got this little pouch on the front that holds enough like little pieces of your, like your AirPods can fit in here. If you have a key fob that you just carry around, and can fit in there. Just like some little things can actually work and fit in there, some gum. So I like it. And then it's got a little pocket on the inside, and then I also love the modernization where it's just a button to easily close it, snap close it, instead of it being just like those little string pull tabs. Now they have in the all black, yes, leather version coming out. Ooh, I think this is going to be amazing. I have a leather backpack. When I tell you it's the best decision I've ever made to buy myself a leather backpack, hands down. If I didn't have my Monterey or that one, I might be tempted. Because look at me, girl. Look at the leather. Yes, is it not leathering? It's the match not matching? You know it is. Shoo, say it ain't so. If you try to say it ain't so, you'd be lying. I feel like this is really cute. And then the silver hardware to boot. Oh, it's so nice. You can just sling that baby over your shoulder. You even need to have the straps on the back if you don't want to. The one thing that I'm looking at that I don't know if I care for is, I know I like the rolled handle look in leather. So I think what you guys are going to be getting on this one, I think it looks monogram flavor. And then both of the straps, even on mine, are canvas. So that's the only difference. Is I really love vachetta. I was really looking for this vachetta padding here, this little rolled handle, minimal vachetta on the bottom. You can see you're not even going to be dealing with any vachetta on this bag whatsoever. That's great. The inside, again, is going to have that beautiful microfiber lining, and it's going to close like snap closure. What more could you ask for, right? So let's move on. The next bag it looks like that they're coming out with is, well, they always have these twists, do they not? I really feel like what I fancy more were the new bags, like the Monterey and the Sunset bag, over the, I don't really want to say they're not traditional, they're not old. Classic styles. Yes, the classics. So if you are into the classics, then the LV twist in So Black, the East-West twist in So Black, the side trunk. Ooh. You know, really, honestly, I think they would get me with that one. If I really saw it in person in store, I really have to stay away from window shopping on that one. But the twist, I don't think I saw a Capucine. Did we see a So Black Capucine right here? I would buy the So Black side trunk. It is super sharp. The reason why I haven't bought a side trunk bag, mind you, is because I can't stand that there's no pockets in there. Okay. Oof. When I tell you I have my gripes as a luxury client, first world problems, I know. That is one of them. Give me a pocket for all this money. Give me some organization. I will never say no. The next bag, So Black bag, that I really think we got to put on our radar is the Neverfull. I love when Louis Vuitton does the Neverfull in black. They just do it so right, do they not? Oh, it looks great. It looks so chic. That's what the Neverfull in this black looks like to me. So chic. I think that's what I actually like about the So Black collection. I keep saying So Black even though the Sunset has that silver hardware, and so does the Monterey. It has that silver hardware, but that's just how I'm calling it. So I don't know if that's how Louis Vuitton is phrasing it, but that's what I'm calling it, just FYI. Well, this is a Neverfull I would buy, and I don't have a Neverfull. I don't really think I cared seeing that bag everywhere, honestly. I also think I am more of a zipper top person, and it doesn't have that. But I think more importantly, I just was not feeling that vibe of being like everyone else. And I'm sorry, I don't know what that's all about, but I'm a trendsetter, so maybe that's subconsciously what it's all about. Anyway, I really love this Neverfull in black. Not to mention, you would get the pouch, the additional pouch in monogram. You know that's good. But honestly, for me, with the prices for now with Louis Vuitton, I really am turned off without there being feet. I don't know what it is. I'm sorry that these are the classic models. You know, they really don't like to make certain changes to the classic models, but they will. They did it for the Millesime Speedy, and they can do it if they want to. I feel really reluctant to purchase things unless all of my check boxes are met nowadays. Like, I am really picky now. And I think the higher they raise those prices, the more picky I get. So I do think Louis Vuitton and all these luxury brands had better be careful with turning their luxury clients off who actually fund more of their profit bottom line margins than they realize. Yeah. I want to move on and talk a little bit about is the So Black Petite Mal. Now, I know many of us love the Petite Mal. I know many people out there who love Louis Vuitton love the Petite Mal. This is one that I actually think is beautiful in its simplicity of monochromeness. I don't see any monogram anywhere unless maybe it's inside. and I don't see any variation in hardware color outside. Curious what the inside will look like. I think this is a very chic piece without the strap as a clutch. Walking into a party, oof, yes, understated is everything. There is a cap you've seen so black. I think this one is East-West. It looks like an East-Wester, does it not? All these bags are going to be $3,000 for the Neverfull and up. 4,000, 5,000, maybe 6,000 for the side trunks, the cappy scenes, the twists, right? I mean, anything other than that is really pushing it. So be careful out there with your coins, ladies, as you secure your bags. And if you're with me to the end, I really hope that you enjoyed this little review on the new black bags coming from Louis Vuitton. Please go over and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. If you're interested in perks, giveaways, discounts, please join my membership. I'm always doing something fun over here on my channel. So if you might be interested in a potential Louis Vuitton meetup, gathering in a Louis Vuitton store, then I would need to have more of my members joining to organize an event and experience like that, because you know I would do it big for you guys. If you're with me to the end, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next one. If you like this video, then stay tuned for my next video.